Storm Henk, as reported by the Met Office, is expected to bring very strong winds, causing disruptions in Essex. The amber warning indicates potential power cuts, damage to buildings, longer travel times, and cancellations across various services. Expected impact: power cuts with the potential to affect services like mobile phone coverage. Possible damage to buildings, including tiles blown from roofs. Disruptions to road, rail, air, and ferry services leading to longer journey times and cancellations. Likelihood of flying debris causing injuries or danger to life. Possible closures of roads and bridges. Risk of injuries and danger to life due to large waves and beach material thrown onto coastal areas. Commuters are advised to check travel updates, secure loose items, and be cautious during the evening rush hour. Train operator C2C has issued a warning, anticipating strong winds during Storm Henk. Essex Fire and Rescue Service urges residents to call 999 only in emergencies, emphasizing that they are not a recovery company. Southend Piers Walkway is closed due to adverse weather conditions. The Met Office forecasts gusts of 70-80 mph on exposed coasts and 50-60 mph inland, potentially reaching 60-70 mph in specific locations. An amber weather warning spanning 10 hours underscores the severity of Storm Henk, with potential risks to life and safety. Stay informed, exercise caution, and prioritize safety during these adverse weather conditions. National Highways has provided essential guidance to ensure driver safety during strong winds. Reduce speed, slow down, and stay focused on the road to be aware of potential debris. Avoid exposed roads. If possible, avoid using exposed sections of the road. Two-handed steering. Use both hands on the steering wheel for better control. Be mindful of surroundings. Watch for gaps in trees, buildings, and bridges, as side winds are more likely in these areas. Maintain sufficient room on both sides of your vehicle to accommodate potential sideways movements. Caution around high-sided vehicles. Exercise caution when passing larger high-sided vehicles, anticipating side winds. Keep ample space on either side of your vehicle.